Chef Alexia. I'm your host, Chef Alexia, and today we are going to be doing a waffle and omelet sandwich. Don't forget, guys, whenever you start cooking and after, you always have to clean your area and keep it sanitized. So, first things first, kids, is we're going to come back over here to the sink and wash our hands. So for today's snacktivity, we are going to be using 2 waffles. You can use any kind, blueberry, maple. Today we're going to just use some plain regular waffles. We have our ham on this side, we have our yellow American cheese, we have some eggs, our bowl and our whisk, and the oil that we're going to use on our frying pan over here on this side. Remember, kids, whenever you're using an oven or a stove, always make sure you have an adult present with you. Right now, we're going to go ahead and pour our oil in our skillet and make sure it gets all hot and ready. And we're going to leave this here to get all warmed up. So the first thing we're going to do to prep our snacktivity is put our waffles in the toaster, okay? So we're going to go ahead and put these in there. We're going to put this on a medium setting, that way we give it about 3 minutes. Okay? And while they're cooking, we're going to come over here and scramble up some eggs, okay? So we have our eggs on this side, okay? Make sure you have a napkin set aside, that way you can put the trash of the egg over here, and then you can throw it away, and make sure you wash your hands when you're done touching eggs, okay? Let's go ahead and get these cracked. 1 egg, 2 eggs. Okay, and let's go ahead and put that on the side. Let's go ahead and throw this away. So now that we have our waffles in the toaster, our oil on the stove getting heated up, we're gonna go ahead and scramble our eggs and get them ready to put on the stove top. I guess our waffles are ready. I'm gonna set this down over here. Remember, never stick a utensil in the toaster, okay? Always grab them or use an adult. Okay, so now that they're nice and crispy, we're gonna leave them off to the side. Let's go ahead and unplug our toaster, ask an adult for help. Okay, and then let's come over here on this side and get our eggs on the stove. Don't forget, guys, before you put your eggs on the stove, you can go ahead and add just a little bit of seasoning and flavor. You want to add salt and pepper. Okay, I'm just going to add some little pepper up in here. Okay, we're going to give that a nice little stir. Okay, make sure that your oil is nice and hot. Ask an adult for help. Okay, now that the oil is nice and hot, we're going to go ahead and put our eggs in here. Okay. Let's give it a little bit of time to cook. Okay, while that's cooking, let's put that to the side. Make sure we have our cheese ready. Okay. Now, I'm not much of a yellow cheese kind of person, but we're gonna go ahead and add 2 slices, right, and a slice of our ham. Okay. The ham is cooked, but we're just gonna put it in here. That way it becomes nice and toasty. Let's go ahead and put in our cheese and our ham. You know what? I'm gonna cut this into little pieces, okay? Maybe it'll be just easier. While that's cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and finish prepping our plate. So now that our omelet is nice and ready, I'm gonna go ahead and move it over here to our waffles. See if we can't fold it just a little bit. Oh man, that looks amazing. Let's put this off to the side. Let's go ahead and finish it. And let's get that cross section. Let's see what it looks like when we cut it in half. Oh man, that looks absolutely amazing. Okay, So there you have it, guys. We have our waffle, egg, ham, and cheese omelet sandwich. You guys can make this with regular bread. You guys can take stuff, add stuff. I want to see what you guys put in your omelet. So for next time,